Lesson 79 is on how to estimate areas. Let's take a look at this. As Tucker balanced 1 foot on the scale, he wondered how many pounds per square inch the scale was supporting. He traced the outline of his shoe on 1 square inch grid and counted squares to estimate the area of his shoe. Here is a reduced image of the inch grid. Can you estimate the area of Tucker's shoe print? Well, let's start counting squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. There's 30 full squares. 30 full squares. Then you can see there are dots on 4 of them that are about half squares. So a half plus a half makes 1, and a half plus a half makes 2. So we say that there are 4 halves or another 2 full squares. So we have a total then of 32 full squares, or 32 inches squared. Okay, his foot takes up that. Now, if he weighs 116 pounds, we just take 116 pounds divided by 32 inches squared, and we're going to find how many pounds per square inch it is. When you divide that out, you get something that's relatively close to 3.52 pounds per square inch. In this example, it says, to prevent a 500-pound piano from damaging the floor, the owner puts a 6-inch diameter circular casters under the 3 legs of the piano. Use Tucker's method to estimate the area of each caster, then find the pounds per square inch the floor supports. What we need to do is count the number of squares, whole squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 full squares. Now let's count how many are half squares. Well, here looks like half, here's half, here's half, here's half, and we also have these halves and these halves. So we actually have, here's a full square, full square, full square, full square. So we have 4 more squares to add. So if we add 4 more squares, we actually have a total of 28 full squares, or 28 inches squared. Now, we have 3 of them. This is just 1 caster, but there are 3 legs of the piano, so they're each going to get one of these casters. So therefore, we have 3 times this amount. So I take what I have and multiply it by 3, so I know how many square inches total I have, and I get 84 inches squared. We are also asked to find the pounds per square inch that the floor will support. So therefore, we know that it's a 500-pound piano. We divide it by the 84 inches squared that we have, and we get, that comes out to 6 pounds per inch, per square inch, when we divide 500 by 84. So each little caster, there's 3 of these, holds 6 pounds for each caster. This concludes our lesson. You can find your practice on page 547. I would like for you to bring to class tomorrow just the letter A.